pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Automobiles. So what comes to your mind when you first hear this word? Is it bikes or is it cars? So if you are a driving enthusiast or an automobile enthusiast, then this is your right space and right spot to be in. This is your host IB signing into today's video on AUTOCAFE. So if you like this video, press the like button, do comment and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to press the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any updates whenever we post a video. So let us go behind the wheels and learn some basics right away. Okay, so now that we are in the driving cabin, let us do the basics first. First of all, adjust the seat according to your height. And for reference, my height is 5'7". So there you go, pull the lever in front or upwards and you can adjust it. So this is the right spot where I got adjusted. Now for the steering wheel, you have a column over here in different cars, or you might not have it. So adjust the steering accordingly from here. The right spot for holding the steering wheel is like this, so that your arms are a little bent over here. Put your hand in the position of 10 and 2. So if I consider it to be 10 and this is 2. The most important thing, wear your seat belt now. In order to pull your seat belt, hold it from here, pull it down towards you and clip it in. Now that you are safe and you are good to go. Adjust the mirror accordingly and go ahead. So now you have the key, put it in the key slot, turn it in and you will see all the lightings right away. So this means that your car is on. Adjust the mirror accordingly like this. Now this is called the handbrake. This is the handbrake or the emergency brake in some cases. This is the gear lever. So in order to start the car, press the clutch all the way in, put the gear in neutral. So this is the clutch, the brake and the accelerator. In simple words, A, B and C. You control the accelerator and the brake with your right foot and the clutch only with your left foot. In order to move the car, press the clutch all the way in. Check the gear is in neutral or not. If the car is in neutral, it is free to move from left to right. Now turn the key and put the ignition. Now that the car is on, you can see on the RPM meter. Okay. Now press the brake. Release the handbrake. In order to release the handbrake, press it in, put it down. Now the handbrake is free. Put the gear in first gear. In order to put it in first gear, hold it like this, press it to your left and upwards. So the car is in first gear. Now we are all set to move. Now slowly release the clutch, very gently and slowly. You will see the car has started to move. In order to turn the car, use the steering wheel. What I am doing is that I am using the clutch and the brake to control the car in the initial stage. If you are new, practice this for a while and you will get the hang of it. In order to bring the car in stop position, press the clutch all the way in and press the brakes gently. There you go, the car has stopped. Okay, so that was all for today. In the next video we'll come back with new things what to do and what not to do in cars. So, till then, drive safely and drive responsibly. When we come back in the next video, we'll learn minutely about what to do in a car and how to drive it properly. Until next time, take care.